a bunch of chickens. Look at us, a rooster. We won't give this guy a name. Does he have a name? He's perfect.
Chick, chick, come on. Come get you some. Hold on.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Someone let me in there. Let me in there. Come on, chick. Come on, chick. Chick, chick. Come on. In there. Nope, not outside, inside. Come on. Nope, inside. Well, that didn't work.
That's all you want. You don't know what you're missing out. Get in there. You got a boyfriend in there.
Come on. Yeah, see, I didn't have any food.
You got anything to say for yourself?
What do you think about your new boyfriend? Huh? Is he being nice? Is he pulling your hair? Oh, by the way, this is going to keep the hawks from swooping in and getting our birds. You don't need no fancy fence on the top or anything. All you need is some strings. That way they don't go, they won't fly down in there.